Hello everyone, welcome to Hari's BI. This video is about the latest trending feature called OpenAI, and I'm going to help you to understand how you can leverage ChatGPT for your developer activities. So if you're new to my channel is about Hari's BI. I'm covering all the Power BI related videos. Please click the subscribe button to get the latest updates. Let's get started. In recent times, OpenAI has become very popular across people, across industry. So people are using this OpenAI models and they are trying to integrate with their applications. One of the model is ChatGPT, which is an optimizing language model. I'm going to show you how this ChatGPT can help you to perform your day-to-day activities. If you are trying to use this ChatGPT for the first time, you have to go to this openai.com/blog/GPT or search for ChatGPT in Google. So you will be landing into this page and you can see try ChatGPT. So I'm going to show which is free of cost, so where you no need to spend any money, but the response that you are trying to get will be slower as it is a free. In case if you want to get a immediate response, so then you can go with the licensed one, where you have to pay something for this ChatGPT. You will get more additional backend nodes will be involved for this search capabilities, and there are a lot of features available. You can go through openai.com and you can get the latest informations. So this is the portal ChatGPT, where you can ask any question in natural language and you will get an answer immediately. So it is kind of a chatbot where you can ask any questions and it will give you an answers related to the questions. And here one information, so this is not going to give you an exact answer or an information that you are trying to search, but you can consider this as a reference point and you can start enhance it in case if you are trying for a code, searching for a code, right? This will give you a code, but you need to validate whether that will work or not, right? Let's try to check few examples related to Power BI. So let's start with chat. Okay, I just asked what is your name. So the response is my name is ChatGPT. How can I help you today? Now I can ask something about the age. Okay, here you can see the response is I am a machine learning model. I do not have a age. I was last trained on new data in September 2021. Right, so in case if you are trying to ask anything latest feature of Power BI, then you will not get a right answer, because the model which is used on ChatGPT was last trained on September 2021. So I would recommend try to see when this was last trained. So in case if you are using a free version or a paid version, and based on that you can ask a question, you will get a related answers. Let's start with the Power BI questions. I just asked date table in M code, right, or date table -M code. So here you can see, so it is trying to give you a code which will help you to create a date table directly on Power Query. So this is typing an M code for you. So in case if you are searching in Google, you may need to visit multiple websites and see which one is giving you the right answer. You can pick up and choose and you can get the code. Whereas here it will give you the exact code, so you can try validate it. If this is matching your requirement, you can start use and you can still enhance it. So that's how this GPT works. We can still ask many questions just to give you an idea. So I just asked create a function in Power Query. So this will give you an idea like how you can create a function in mQuery. So this is just again a sample from ChatGPT. You can just still refer this as a reference point and even you can start learn how to create a functions. Okay, I just typed something but still there is a spelling mistake. But if you see, I try to ask create a date table in DAX. So it is giving you this syntax. So it is referring a add column and generate series, start date and end date, and it is trying to give you the DAX script, and you can still use this to create a new DAX date table. So here I asked how to get the access token in Postman to use Power BI REST APIs, and this is the response that we get from ChatGPT. So it is asking us to open a new Postman and create a new request and try with the post method, and we need to pass this information like tenant ID In body section we have to use or choose this option, and grant type is our client credentials. In case if you are going with a service account, then client ID secret and then resource. So when we have all of this information, we can easily use the same in Postman, and we can get these access token. Once we get the access token, is still if you need any help, you can ask like how to refresh a Power BI dataset. Then it will give you a Power BI dataset refresh REST API. There you can use the token that you are going to generate with this code, and you can easily refresh your datasets. So this is how it will be very helpful in case if you are browsing multiple websites, right, to identify this information. It will take time, right? But if you are trying to use a tool for the first time, you might end up with multiple websites, right? And you may need to choose which one is correct, which one will give you you may need to choose the correct website and look for the code. Here you can get the code directly, and then you can validate it and then start use it. So if you like this video, please click the like button and please share it with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching this video.